Travelers, brace yourselves. Your favorite carry-on bag could be banned from most airlines today. That's right, the carry-on chaos of 2025 is coming. And if you're not ready, you might end up gate-checking your beloved luggage or, worse, paying those outrageous fees. Today, we're decoding the new carry-on rules for 2025. Rule number 1. New universal carry-on size. Airlines have agreed on one universal carry-on size, 22x 14x 9in or 56x 36x 23cm. This includes the handles and wheels. Sounds great, right? They finally agree on that. Except for the fact that most bags you already own won't fit. Over 60% of popular carry-ons on the market are too big. Those size-checking bins at the gate are getting an upgrade. No more sneaking by with a slightly oversized bag, unless you enjoy paying surprise fees. So, measure your bag now and make sure it's compliant. Or better yet, upgrade to one of the newer bags designed for these rules. And no, I don't mean splurging on luxury luggage unless it packs itself and upgrades me to first class. Rule number 2. Weight limits. Say goodbye to stuffing your bag until it's heavier than your New Year's guilt. Many airlines now have strict carry-on weight limits, typically 8 to 10 kilograms or 17 to 22 pounds. And yes, they're actually enforcing it, sometimes with scales built into the check-in kiosks. Also, if you're traveling with electronics, ask about your airline's media bag policy. Some airlines allow extra weight or additional items for professional gear. A little research could save you big bucks. And always wear your heavy boots and jackets on board. Fashionable? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Rule number 3. Personal item. Airlines are getting stricter about personal items, and it's no longer a free-for-all. That purse, laptop bag, or backpack must fit under the seat in front of you. No exceptions. The new size limit for personal items is 18x 14x 8in or 45x 35x 20cm. Oversized? You might be forced to check it. So choose wisely and pack strategically. Rule number 4. Liquid restrictions. Good news. The infamous 311 rule is slowly being phased out thanks to new scanning tech. Bad news. It's not happening everywhere at once. Some airports will let you bring full-size liquids, while others stick to the old rules. Here's the strategy. Play it safe. Pack small travel-size bottles in an easy-to-access pouch. If your departure airport allows larger liquids, pack them separately in an easy-to-access pocket. That way, if your connecting airport sticks to the old rules, you can quickly remove or dispose of them without disrupting your packing system. Always check the rules for your route ahead of time. Trust me, this one's a moving target. Rule number 5. Electronics power. Dead electronics equal dead travel plans. If your device can't power on during a security check, it's not going through. Yes, airlines' new rules are shaking things up. Here's what you need to know. Power banks under 100 Wh are fine. Between 100 and 160 Wh, you'll need airline approval. Over 160 Wh? That's a no-go. Dead devices are not allowed through security. Make sure everything is charged and can power on if needed. Lithium battery limits. Most airlines cap it at 15 to 20 devices. That sounds like a lot, but think about it. Your phone, laptop, earbuds, camera, it adds up quickly. Always carry a charging cable in your personal item and check your device's watt hours before you pack. Don't let a dead device derail your trip. Rule number 6. Smart luggage restrictions. Got smart luggage? Pay attention. Smart luggage isn't so smart anymore. Airlines now require that any built-in batteries must be removable. If the battery can't be removed, your bag isn't coming on board. Here's the breakdown. GPS tracking? Generally fine if not lithium-powered. USB charging ports? Okay, but the battery must be removable. Electronic locks? Permitted, but you'll need a backup way to open the bag. If you're buying new luggage, make sure the battery is easy to remove and check the policies of the airlines you fly most often. It's not worth the hassle of a non-compliant bag. Rule number 7. Overhead bin. Overhead bins are becoming premium real estate, and the competition is heating up. Airlines are now monitoring bin usage more closely, and some even assign bin space based on your ticket class. Yes, economy travelers, this means you might be fighting for scraps. Pro tip number 1. Board early. This can give you the edge in the bin wars, so keep an eye on your boarding group. Pro tip number 2. If you're carrying essentials or fragile items, consider a carry-on bag designed to fit under the seat to skip the bin drama altogether and still keep your important items within reach. Travelers, we've just reviewed 7 major carry-on rules shaking up air travel in 2025. But what about you? Do you know of any other new rules or updates on the horizon? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear your insights.